Before Christmas, and we just
Why have you got the light on that?
It's recording, that's why.
The bits of your story that we tell and how we would structure it.
We know everybody in the world could go and do a musical about Susan Boyle, but they're not doing the one that Susan's a part of. So it's really important to us that I don't mean that we've got a sugary, everything's perfect in the world of Susan Boyle story. Well, nobody is, and that actually what people relate to. Is
Are you doing your foot exercise? Go on then. Do your paw. Or your claw, might say.
The dreams of everyone. And seeing what that did when you sung like that, it was about.
Who's a clever girl?
A great connection.
She just said me. I went to her as a clever girl, she went me.
The musical will cover the harsher points of her life, including the close relationship with her mother, who didn't live to see Susan's dream come true.
Wow.
Oh, she's crying.
This is your mum.
What did you make of Susan's reaction to that?
Well, it's quite frightening actually. The most important thing for all of us involved is that we honour her story.